Today we are working on the fifth and final lesson within lesson 2 in Word, finding and replacing text. You can see that we have 9 steps in this one, a little longer. So open the invitation to annual meeting from your resources. I'm going to close this clipboard. So go to wherever your files are stored, your resource files, and invitation to annual meeting is what we want to open. Save it as invitation to annual meeting 2020. So click File, Save As, and I'm just going to click at the end of that, 2020, and put it in My Projects folder. So make sure you don't put it in Resources, put it in My Projects, and save it. Insert the text, insert date, and type the current date, or select that text, insert date. Type the current date. For me, it is July 26th, 2021. So type whatever today's date is for you. Step 2. Press Control F, and that opens up the navigation pane. Step 3, teaching how to find text. So type 2012 in the search field. So go over here, type 2012, and then view the results list to see how many occurrences there may be of this text. There should only be 2 occurrences displayed, and so you see that there are 2 places that it was displayed. Click in the document and then press Control H, Control and letter H, and that will display the Find and Replace dialog box. Ensure the Find What field shows 2012, so you see right here it shows 2012. And the Replace With field, so click in that. Deselect any characters there, which I don't have any, and type 2020, and then Replace All. And Word display a message with the number of replacements that were made, which is 2. Click OK to close the message box. Close the Find and Replace dialog box and the navigation pane. Save the document. So I'm going to click File, Save. 6. Open the TEC employee list. So I'm going to click File, Open. Change this to my resources files, TEC employee list. So we have this open. Save it. Let's click File, Save As. We want to go to our My Projects folder, TEC employee list revised. So just put revised at the end of that and click Save. Step 7. Click the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click the Show Hide command to show formatting marks. Scroll through the document. Notice how the paragraph markers show you where the Enter key was pressed. So you can see all of those, which we've done this previously. Step 8. Press Control H to display the Find and Replace dialog box. Now try finding some special characters to quickly remove some formatting characters. Click in the Find What field and delete any characters there. Click the More button. If the options do not display, then click the Special button right down here. Click the paragraph mark. Do this twice to insert 2 codes in the field. See that it's done that twice. This code represents the paragraph character or indicates that the enter key was pressed. Click the Replace With field. Delete any characters there. Click Special. And then Paragraph Mark. And we're just going to do this once. Click Replace All. Then click OK, and it shows that we made 36 replacement. Notice how quickly Word removed all instances where the special character paragraph mark appeared twice and is replaced with 1 paragraph mark. You'll still need to review the document to determine where page breaks should occur or if changes were needed in the formatting. Alright. Step 9. Now try finding a piece of text and replacing it with formatted text. Click in the Find What field. Delete the text that's there and type Sid Taylor. Click in the Replace With field and type Sid Taylor. Click the Format button and then click Font. In the font list, click Bold. In the size list, click 12. Click OK. Click Replace to have Word find the first occurrence. And you can see right here that what we're changing it from Sid Taylor to Sid Taylor, that's 12-point bold, so click Replace. Click Replace once more. And then click OK. And then close this Find and Replace dialog box. In this instance, you were asked to click the Replace option to verify the first instance of the found text. Clicking Replace the second time triggered the replacement to occur, and as there were no other occurrences of the search text, Word displayed the number of occurrences. So save and close the document. File. Save. And then File. Close. Submit. Hopefully we'll see 9 green checks. And you do. So if you got everything correct, congratulations, you have completed lesson 2 of Word. If you did not, if you've missed something, go back and fix that if you so desire, and we'll head on to lesson 3.